by over 5 feet. Incredible formation flying out there. Fire up, fire up. Now, if you watch him reposition in the right end, watch this Jack Newton pulls his aircraft up into the vertical. Right there as he goes inverted. He'll actually make the wind corrections. Rob Holland, he just stays exactly where on that wing tip. Now as they roll back into the aerobatic area from Airshow Center. Are you under control? Are you under control? It appears you did lose control. You guys got snacks in the back. There's an airshow going on here right now. You're here to show your plane off. What are you doing? Where are you from? Hello, what is your name? Just get out of prison at a Folsom. What did you do this airplane, Chuck? You built it? Where did you build it? You were in prison, you said. Built it in the prison workshop at Folsom. I'll tell you what, looks like you need a little work on it, buddy. We got a big cloud with that. What you got here is we got your brake pedal, we got your gas pedal. Okay, what I need you to do right now is start pedal motion. I can show you how they work. I'll tell you what. So you have a learn to fly book with you or not? Very good. I'll just stand by that. Okay, let's just. Watch right now, we have this young Chuck Grant. That could be a problem. What's that? Now we're going to fly out. Okay, Chuck. What I need you to do right now is pull up, Chuck. Up, Chuck, up! Oh, man. I'll tell you what we need to do now, Chuck, is we're going to try to talk you into a safe landing here. Okay, what I want you to do right now is to step on the gas pedal. That's the one on your right leg. You got a problem. Oh, now I'm going to get used the rest of the day. All right, it's quiet. Okay, what I want you to do, just pull back. Okay, now you got your giant cars. You so you can put it down for the square. That is power, that is performance, that is pilot skill. The power is my boy, Bill Steiner to controls. You watch him come down, now we're he continues to rotate here, survive revolution, and now he lets that nose to the left, that wing start to fly. Now as he does the thrust and turnaround, he's coming right back at us here. The right end zone tumbling out there, right side there. That's just his turnaround maneuver, folks. Incredible flying. Now as Bill turns back inbound, Billy coming up to us from Airshow right, setting up the maneuver. He calls the slide winder. He pulls it up on a 45-degree line, does a quarter roll right, the knife edge, crazy. Double snap, fly over down. One maneuver, that is Bill Edge, Bill Stein, the Edge 540. Anthony Swineway. About 450, 475 miles an hour. We'll need 500 as he comes across the bottom of this arc out here at Airshow Center. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Ray Tyers, and that is the beautiful T-33. There's speed altitude all looking great. Flight center really play down around again out here on the Airshow Center. Right there, he's about 4,000 feet high. Back down around. Up the stick, makes that a beautiful symmetrical loop as he comes right out through. Let's start to actually see if he's right back up the positive ground. At this point, though, I'm inviting to put that loop. For the stick from the loop, through and through and that is the one that brings out that stick. Right back up into the vertical off that left end, so you can see it goes virtually coast as he goes straight up out there. Across the top once again, all upside down, he makes his good directions by moving down that canopy. Big bubble canopy gives him tremendous amount of viewing. Watch out there, so visibility is actually at the canopy of that aircraft. He executes 1/2 and 4-point hesitation roll while diving in on that 45-degree down. Back up out there off that right side. He has a big advantage. He just don't fly off that right end zone. David, of course, he has to make a turn out there. There's an angle turn out there, so at high speed, he's watching the airplane. He's going that angle turn. Now as you watch, you can see David repositioning down in that right end zone. He'll be coming back in a strong Airshow right. Billy's down in the left end zone. Just kind of warming up that big good special. 540 digits, like when he gets down the nose. That's down here off Airshow right. Across the top of the there. Steps off there off the right side. Vertical. Bring that up. Look at that there. It's off. Slow, just about ready to come to a stop. Full rudder. Next gets a hammerhead turn. Now you see that there. Right back there. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3. Now it's upside down. 1, 2, 1. What does he do? He has to push forward on the stick to make that airplane climb, and that is all the controls do become reversed when you're upside down, so he has to push forward to make it climb while inverted. Now he does the 1/2 outside loop. 45-degree downline, inverts it into a half Jupiter 8. that recovers out here, just coming down our show line right now, showing about 190 miles an hour on the airspeed indicator. As you can see, David is lined up out there. They come right down the show line out there, trying to full speed. Nice job out there. Real nice. Going right up to Big Brothers, Reach Airshow Center. Actually, all on that motorcycle. They went for Billy's airplane. He's just got a real nice high-speed run there, but on that motorcycle, he's really hauling, knowing that he's got that about 33 turn he's got to make in just 50 seconds. Now, you watch out here on there right now. Now, right there, he's got a great time. Billy Ward's out of Indianapolis flying that It's special. That's around upside down. Slide inverted across the top out here. Very slow speed. Now that's supposed to be down. Let the ship start flying. Billy's got his talent here, he's got the power up, putting some smoke out there. David's pacing with him right now. David's starting to push forward, David's starting to push ahead. Billy's in the air, so he's starting to accelerate out. He's in run right now. Remember, folks, we got to go down to the left air zone, turn around and come back. Whoever goes fastest first is the winner. You can see, oh man, this is close. Right down to the next one. Looks like he's got an early lead. As he comes down the show line, he has passed him. Say hello, and I'm Matt Youngkin. Matt flies that big old BK-18 right on around in a big old barrel roll right around the world's largest Tiger. He repositions now into the left end zone. To date, Matt has flown over 85 different types of aircraft, ranging from the Piper Cub all the way up to the big Boeing B-29 Super Fortress. He is also a fully rated flight instructor. He has over 5,000 hours of total flying. Totally stopped, no power being produced by the engine. These are direct drive engines. The prop is attached directly to the crankshaft, so the prop cannot turn if the engine is shut off, and the engine will not be running if the prop isn't turning. So right now, Ken is now set up for that final portion of his air show where he has hoped that he can land and roll out, where he pulls right back into the same spot where he started his demonstration here today. So let's watch.
Flight controls combined with its powerful engines allow the F-22 to pull more than 9 times the force of gravity. Watch from the right as the Raptor demonstrates its tight turn capability with a min-rated horizontal turn and then powers straight into the vertical. Then watch Major Dixon change his direction with the amazing J-turn reposition.
No trigger fingers go, living the dangerous life. Hey, hey, hey.
and gentlemen, in honor of the 20th anniversary of the Heritage Flight.
All right, he powers up into the vertical. Smoke comes on. Okay, comes across the top, puts the hook on it. Hey guys, that look kind of like a candy cane? I think you just painted a candy cane for us. All right, I had about 5 kids right away that shouted that up to us. All right, as we watch out here, let's watch. He brings that airplane to a stop. Let's see if he can fly it backwards. Hanging it on the propeller. He's starting to come back. There's about 10, 20, 30, 40 miles an hour. Oh, man, what a nasty ride that is. And he converts that into an English bunt as he pushes that stick forward. He comes right back on around, rolling the airplane to the left while turning it to the right. Unbelievable. Turning the wings, roll left while the airplane turns right. Now he slows the airplane up dramatically while inverted. He is in what we call the inverted Harrier slide right there. Very slow speed, upside down. That is an air-cooled engine. Got to get that air flowing across those cylinders here pretty quick, which he does. Dumps the nose over, lets the wings start to fly, and he's coming right back at us here as he sets up for the Cobra slide. Right there, the Cobra's got his coiled. He's just about ready to strike. And there he is. Oh, yeah, that's nasty. What a wild ride that is. Right back on around, diving inverted as he pushes that air stick all the way forward, getting all of it he can out of there as he goes right back up, flying the airplane through a quarter of an outside loop, straight up now into the vertical, quarter rolls left. put it close to, he's got one wheel on, he's got the main wheels, but he is not far enough forward, as you can see. He has got to get it up farther forward to start to run out of speed point here, because there's a turn in the taxiway here. Yeah, you got to get out of there, Ken. That was close, Ken, but I'll tell you what, with that turn in the taxiway, that wasn't going to work. Is that Barber you driving today? We can hold. He can't hear us, Kenny. That's something a little unique in your rear view there for a minute there, Bill. All right, as we watch out here off Airshow left. Ken, how's the air out there today? That's John, built from a very historic aviation family right here in Michigan. And now let's watch as they come down the show line. Built out as a pilot for JetBlue Aviation. But you can see Kent has got the main wheels. He's way back on the trailer, though. He's got to get it rolled forward. This will not work if he stays way back there, because you can see that it would slide off the back if he puts the tail down. He's trying to wiggle it up towards the front. He's sashaying, and he ain't going to get there in time. Kenny, you going to give it another shot? You can definitely see that from here, Ken. Ken, so we have a good idea. What kind of speed are you looking at on the aircraft as you come down the show line? Starting to settle down. They'll want to be on the joint up right when they get to the dip in the roadway here. Taxiway, he's got it up on the main. He's rolling up into the wheel wells. Oh, he caught that pretty really quick right into spot. You can see the tail wheel now can settle down and still be on the ramp out there as they slow down. Again, don't slow down too fast, Billy. As we watch him out here at Airshow right. Settles down. Beautiful job out there, Ken Peach and Bill Barber. Fantastic work there, Bill. Fantastic job, Ken. Ken, we do have one issue here we got to put on. I kind of looked at the hangar your airplane goes in. As we watch, Rob now breaks the nose down. And as they set up out here, they're going to carve a giant heart in the sky for us here, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, you can see Holland and Knudsen break left. Stein breaks right as they go out here off that Airshow center, putting that beautiful heart in the sky. Dedicated to our great country of ours as we celebrate our 241st birthday out here. Ladies and gentlemen, the Force and the beautiful heart in the sky. Let's hear it for them, folks. Beautiful job. Let's watch it. One of the real tricks in formation flying is, of course, if you do something like the heart in the sky, you've got airplanes going in two directions. How quickly can you rejoin? Well, you notice that Rob Holland, Jack Knudsen, they have turned back inbound. Bill Stein is quickly rejoining on the break wing. That is beautiful formation flying. What we're going to be watching now, though, folks, something that very intricate here. Maneuver that on its own is just a real nice maneuver to fly, but when you're flying it in V formation, it becomes very difficult for the wingmen. As we watch out here, let's watch our right wing pilot on this one here. That's Bill Stein. During the start of this maneuver, he will be on the outside, so he will have to fly faster. He will have to roll faster. But as they get inverted, he has a dynamic change. He will now be on the inside, so he has to decelerate his roll rate. He has to decelerate his airspeed. So as they come across the top, inverted, look at that, folks. the beautiful barrel roll, and you can see Bill Stein as he kept that airplane exactly where he wanted to. Conversely, Jack Knudsen had done just the opposite. He had gone from being the slow guy to being the fast guy as they went across the top. Beautiful job of flying by the Force. Now as the Force returns out here from Airshow right, let's watch as the boss leads him in. Rob Holland in the lead. He's got the airspeed looking good. Power's set where he wants it. He brings that MXS right back up into the vertical. Straight across the top. Right there, he makes his wind corrections for the team. Team lead is responsible for airspeed, altitude, and positioning. The wingmen, they're responsible for not hitting the lead and keeping their position exactly right. Now as they watch, you can see Rob calls pull. Rob's inside us, then Jack Knudsen, then Bill Stein as they come right on around. They're in the in-trail roll right now, as you can see those roll rates winding up out here. Beautifully spaced. How you doing today? As we watch out there off Airshow right, let's watch them do a little job of follow the leader out off Airshow center, right on into the right end zone as they go in the in-trail barrel roll. Now as we keep the action cooking out here off Airshow right, you can see the MXS punch for the vertical. As he comes across the top. We're going to be watching to see if we can get all three aircraft into the same loop at the same time. Rob comes diving in with a full twist and a half. Jack follows up. Bill Stein can do that. And now as they come Airshow center, Rob Holland has entered the loop. Jack Knudsen's in the loop. Bill Stein's in the loop. Hey, guess what? We got everybody in the same loop right here as they come right on up and around. Diving back in. Rob's accelerating out. Jack's coming right behind him. And Bill Stein slides in right off the tail right there. Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful in-trail loop. Okay, we're going to step up the difficulty factor here as we're going to go into the stagger hammerhead. Straight up, straight up, straight up. You can see right there, Rob Holland kicks rudder. Jack Knudsen kicks rudder. And now Bill Stein kicks it in there, done the beautiful staggered hammerhead. Now diving in fast from Airshow Center. Let's watch here as they set up. Rob Holland extends into the right end zone. He brings the nose up on his airplane, flies the airplane right across one half of a loop. As he comes back down the side here, he calls for a quarter roll. He extends Airshow Center. Jack Knudsen stays right in trail. Bill Stein's right in trail. Let's watch as they quickly rejoin out here off of the Airshow Center. 120 miles an hour as they approach from Airshow right, Airshow left. Stein says, I gotta get out of here, man. They punch vertical out there. He goes straight up. You can see that Holland and Knudsen are tumbling out from the end zone. Stein, he's just hanging around up there in the power hang. And now, as he's repositioned out here, Stein dives straight back in from Airshow Center. From Airshow right, you can see Holland coming. From your left, it's Knudsen as they come in each other once again in a high speed near collision pass. And now they aggressively turn back in to hard 90-degree turns as we watch Stein is taking over center stage as he tumbles across the show line. And directly in front of us out here, you can see, oh man, the action's fast, it's furious, they've totally unleashed, they are the Force. And now as they watch the simultaneous hammerheads, Stein dives back in as he controls center stage. As we watch exiting off the center, we've got Holland and Knudsen. Stein is on show center now. He tumbles that airplane, tail chase the nose, and he unleashes it. Oh man, ladies and gentlemen, this is some kind of flying. They are the Force. Performances is totally null and void right now, as there is no torque from the engine, no power from the engine, no residual flow across control surfaces from the propeller. So let's watch as Ken continues to demonstrate what can be done in the unlikely event that your engine should ever fail you in flight. If you don't panic and you continue to fly the airplane, there's a lot of flying in an airplane with those wings. Let's watch. He keeps it going out there off Airshow right. Lets the nose come down. Extends off that right side. Right on through out here as he comes right on up and around. Flies the airplane around a very nice tight little barrel roll and extends back off of Airshow Center. Tell you, Ken's been working hard for us this weekend, doing the RV landings, doing the comedy routine, and now demonstrating what it's like to fly an airplane with the engine shut off. And I'll tell you what, beautiful job of flying, and that is why he is one of the most awarded performers in the air show world as we watch him fly.